Hey guys, it's Danica. So today I am really excited to share with you guys my stretch mark derma rolling for stretch marks, my 3-month results. I'd heard about derma rolling. I tried derma rolling out on my face and on my lips, and it worked for my lips. It made my lips a lot bigger, a lot fuller, and a lot plumper. And the way that derma rolling works is, like, if you guys don't know what derma rolling is, this is a derma roller. You can buy it and bring it to your home. I got mine online. Okay, so it looks like this, a little roller with a ton of needles and whatever area of your skin that you're trying to work on. So there's evidence that this device works for building collagen in your skin, getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles, also getting rid of acne scars. There's evidence that it's helped with acne scars. And so I was thinking, well, maybe it will help with stretch marks because the needles get right deep down into the dermis of your skin and penetrates way deeper than any cream would. Because it pricks your skin, it creates little mini wounds and causes your body to go into wound healing mode and build up more layers of collagen and basically regenerate whatever area of the skin that you've derma rolled. You're kind of tricking your body into regenerating whatever area you want to improve, basically. So that is how derma rolling works. Okay, so yes, it worked for my lips, so I thought, okay, let's see if it works for my stretch marks. So 3 months ago, I tried derma rolling my stretch marks with this. I'll give you guys like a little mini demonstration. So what you would do is you would do this all down your stretch marks, then you would go lengthwise, then you would go diagonal this way and diagonal that way. So you're hitting your stretch marks from 4 different, angles. So that is exactly what I did to my stomach 3 months ago. I only did it once because I wanted to give my body time to regenerate and rebuild collagen. I don't want to over damage my skin and make it worse, So I really wanted to give it ample time to heal and regenerate itself. Okay, so I'm freaking shocked at the results. Like, I thought for sure, because I kind of glanced quickly at the after pictures, but I didn't actually look at the before pictures. I thought for sure that this would be like a failed experiment video. I'd have to share with you guys my failed results. I am so happy I am wrong. Holy shit. Holy freaking macaroni, whatever. Wow, I cannot even believe the results I got. And the thing is that I didn't know I got these results till I actually sat down and did a really thorough comparison of my befores and afters with my stretch marks. And yeah, there is a definite difference in how my stretch marks look now. So we're gonna head over to my computer and I'm gonna show you guys several before and after pictures just to show you guys what this derma roller can do. By the way, this derma roller only costs I think it only costs like $15 off of Amazon. Wow, it's way cheaper than laser therapy or way cheaper than getting a tummy tuck or some major surgery to get rid of stretch marks. I'm so happy. Okay, so here are the official befores and afters. Alrighty, ready guys? We're gonna take a look at the befores and afters. I have several picture not several. I have 3 picture comparisons for you that I thought were good or adequate. They were similar in lighting and posture and everything. So here's the before, here's the after. Okay, when you look at it, it's like you don't really see a dramatic difference, right? But in my opinion, this does look a little bit better. It does look a little bit more faded in terms of the stretch marks, and from a distance, it actually looks like I have less stretch marks on this side. So that's the first comparison. I'm gonna show you guys closer. Okay, so here's the before. Okay. And here is after. So let's just line these up here for you guys. I tried to, oops, oh my god. I tried to make as identical pictures as possible, but it was hard to do that. I'm not a professional photographer, so Gotta work with what you got. All right, so here's the before, and this is after. Okay, so before, after. Let's see. Okay. So again, the stretch marks look less noticeable in the after than the before, in my opinion. They look more faded. They just look better, I think, right? Like, am I right? It looks better, right? The quality of the skin looks better. It looks less, I don't know, like textured. I don't know what the right word is. Like, it just looks less bumpy, I guess. It looks like it's smoothed over. You know, it almost looks like the stretch mark got more shallow, like they're not as deep. Okay, and here's the last picture, which is like a close-up. Okay, so that is before, okay? And that is after. And this is of my right side, so we can see here this little thing that this is like the same stomach we're looking at here. So right, if you look here, the skin looks very untextured and like just bumpy, and here it looks a lot smoother. The stretch marks look less deep. Like, don't get me wrong, I still have stretch marks obviously, but they just look way better. Less, you know, they're faded, they're not red like they are in this picture. They look less deep. Like even around here, like the white part, it doesn't look as prominent here. The white stretch marks, it just looks freaking amazing. I am in total shock of these results. I also wanted to mention that if you guys go ahead and purchase a derma roller, make sure if it's for stretch marks that you get the 1.5 millimeter length. That is the length that you're going to need because the derma rollers come in different needle lengths. So if you're wanting to get rid of your stretch marks, make sure that it is 1.5 millimeters in length. If it's under 1 millimeter, it's not going to do anything for your stretch marks. The brand I got was MT Roller. This does not have to be the brand that you can get. I would recommend just perusing on Amazon yourself, looking up the reviews and, you know, reading about the quality of the derma roller that you want to get and using your own discretion when deciding which derma roller to purchase. Make sure that you thoroughly research how to properly derma roll before you go ahead. You know, don't just go gung-ho on your stretch marks without doing research. There's a certain way and certain technique to use the derma roller. You gotta be very clean and very sanitary about using this because it can cause a skin infection if you don't properly disinfect it. So definitely do research on how to properly derma roll at home just so that you're not, you know, causing any problems for yourself or causing anything that is easily preventable. So there you guys go. That is my befores and afters of just one treatment or one session of doing this to my stretch marks. 3 months later, I've recently done another treatment, so I'm going to show you guys in another 3 months how my stretch marks are looking, if they're improving or not. And I'm going to be doing this to my stretch marks every 3 months and sharing with you guys the updates. So if you're interested in, you know, the progression of my stretch marks, if they will improve further or not, subscribe to my channel. I will have more updates for that coming. I wish you all luck on your own stretch marks. And this is really, really promising. Give it a go. I mean, it's a low investment, and what do you have to lose, right? Aside from your stretch marks. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye!